Yeah, hi all. We'll see how to fix MySQL error, no database selector. Let's connect to your MySQL server. Yes, we have connected to MySQL server, and let's try to create a table, the student table, serial number, integer with a fork, numeric value, no database selector 1046. Now how to fix this error, no database selected? Before that, we need to know which database we connected. In MySQL, whenever you connected to the server, you have to ensure that which server, which database being connected. Which database being connected. So using select statement of your database, it's null. So no database being connected. And you need to know what all the databases you have in your MySQL server. You can use show databases. So we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, total 7 rows, 7 databases. This is the one which you want to connect and create. You have to use that, either test database, either classic models. So if you want to connect to test database, then use test. Now the database got changed to test database. You can still verify using select statement which database you connected. We are connected to test. Before it was shown to null. So now you can create your table. Create table, student, serial number int, integer 4 already exist, but still you can find out what all the tables where we have show tables, student. We can try with one more table creating, employee. Now the table got created. Verify that list of tables. We have both the tables emp and student. So that the error got fixed now. No database selected. Ensure that you are connected to that particular database. Ensure that list of databases where we are going to create a table or we are going to run the statement, the database exists in the current MySQL database. Okay guys, done with fixing the issue. Thank you all.